Hello everyone, can you hear me? Okay, thanks. Okay. Hi to everyone who is watching the stream. Bonex team is here, and this is the very first stream that be held daily on work days from Monday to Friday, in which we will be giving you some important market insights and so on. So, welcome to everyone who is watching, and let's begin with our first analysis. Firstly, let's take a look on our chart on Bitcoin. So, what we have here? Okay, you can see that I have marked several levels here. This one here is my weekly range. This range is formed from the first day of the week. This is our literally this is our Monday low and Monday high. So this is our weekly range, or so-called Monday range. This is our Monday high. This is equilibrium zone, meaning this is the middle range, the middle point of that range. And this is our Monday low. We are taking these levels as our range low and range high. So after our weekly range, we are seeing that if we zoom out, that high is formed from the so-called golden pocket of Fibonacci retracement level. You can see this is the price is this is the golden, this is the OT zone. If you trading smart money techniques, it is known as OT zone. This is optimal trade entry zone, and it is formed between 0.618 and 0.786 from Fibonacci levels, from the swing high to the swing low. We can see this high is formed in that zone, and we are currently in a sloping downtrend, but you can see I have taken a long trade earlier this morning, basically based on the liquidity sweep theory, because this one we can take also our range, we can draw a range here as well. This is our local range, and you can see we have yesterday we had equal low levels left without to be taken, and currently we have, you can see, equal high liquidity level that is not net taken yet. We had the sweep of that zone earlier in the morning, and after that, if we go on 1 minute chart, our low, you can see that clear low here on 1 minute chart is given by that high. I consider it that after breaking this high here, you can see also, I will show you later, this is also a flip zone, support resistance flip, and also when we took that low, even that high, or you can consider it even that one, we had a so-called market structure shift. So based on that, I decided to enter long trade on our first demand level on 1 or 5 minute charts. If you zoom out, it's same. It is also if we draw if we draw our volume profile, fixed range volume profile, we can see that we have pushed back the price, the bulls has pushed back the price inside that value area, and we had a bullish retest of that flip again, and so I'm targeting now at least this highs, point of control level, value area high. This is the points of interest that I may be closing this trade, and optimal, the full trade, will be targeting the equal highs. You can see it's a very simple strategy. Target based on range theory. If that is based on my experience in trading, I can summarize it something like this. When we have a range formed and one of the sides gets taken, so stop liquidity is taken. What is liquidity? Liquidity are the stop losses of the traders, and that are placed beneath or above the obvious levels where traders place their stop of their trades. So every long here most likely will be putting their stop below this equal lows, below the last significant low. This is this one. So this liquidity is taken, and this theory, according to this theory, from my experience, the next target in most of the cases is the opposite side of the range. So this is basically our equal high level, or this is somewhere around 99,000. So this is our zoomed in view. can see we can draw a lot of ranges in ranges also. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see I have marked several levels. This level is previous monthly low, and this level is previous monthly high. These are January levels. If I draw my range from here, you can see that it is respecting again its mid-range. So we have flip trending in the premium zone of this range. The upside zone is called premium, so the price is overpriced and it is not recommended to buy an asset in premium zone, and this is a discount zone where it is recommended to be buying any asset regarding its Bitcoin or whatever you are trading. So we can see that price, after losing this mid-range, now is have troubles with it is getting rejected 3 times already, and we are going to see if the fourth one will be successful test, because with each test any support or resistance become weaker, or we will get a capitulation here and will be rejected again, and we will be making another low. So if we get breakout, if we break the 99 to, or let's say 100 level, because you can see if we draw our anchored VWAP from the bottom and the high of these levels, we can see that for market 102,000, I'm rounding the numbers because it's hard to tell them exactly. The market will shift the sentiment again if we break only this clear level around 102,000. If we see this one, this movement in the market, the next target for the Bitcoin will be 103 to 4,000, and this will be the area around previous weekly high, also the previous monthly value area high around 1.5 and 105, 106,000, and even maybe then we can see another all-time high for Bitcoin. So this is our bullish case. If we get rejected again, or we fail to hold this range and we break 96,000 below, I expect the price to test around $94,500. Why? Because if we zoom out on a daily candle range, let me show you something interesting. In the markets, when we see this kind of significant wicks as we had earlier in January, most of these wicks get filled at least to their half. So this will mean if I measure this wick from only the wick, not the body, the 50% of this wick is somewhere around 94,500, 400. And if we zoom in again, and if I pull our Fibonacci from our last swing low to last swing high, this area is located inside that our OT range or our golden pocket level. So if I see breakdown here, I won't be in a rush to long somewhere here. I will be waiting to the price to form a clear indications that this level will be tested and will hold as support, and then I will be looking for the same market structure shift so I can long it to the upside. This is our This is our two scenarios that are waiting Bitcoin in this sloppy sideways price action. And basically I can tell you that maybe this will be our let me show you something interesting from earlier. You can see that we had a range strategy worked again earlier in this our macro range. This is our macro range after the pump. We have low, high formed, deviation below the range low, liquidity taken, flip back in the zone again, into the range again, and targeting the opposite side of the liquidity level, so range high. This macro range is now played out range, and the price is literally targeting only the internal levels of liquidity, so the internal highs and internal lows. You can see that price is literally trending inside this range so far. I have the feeling that this will be our new range for maybe like we had after our initial pump of when the bull not the bull market but the bull market started last year. We had our range for almost, let's check again together. We had this range for almost, see how many, 260 days. This is almost 9 months. I have the feeling this will be something similar here. I don't think that bull market is over with Bitcoin, even though we see some more serious drop. That more serious drop where it will be if we see a big drop in the market. The next stop for the Bitcoin, if we drop below, if we lose that range low around 90,000 USD dollar, $9,000. The next target for the Bitcoin, if we open the CMA chart, we can see that we have a significant gap left behind, which is around $90,000. I don't think it will be reaching that level straight. I think our first stop will be somewhere around the daily level formed here. So this, where is this daily level lies? It is somewhere between around $87,000. So if we have our levels now, if we see a drop to around $94,000, so next important level is our this clear swing low around 90,000. This is absolutely must hold level for Bitcoin, because you can see this is a clear support line. It can be drawn also like a zone, not a line. If we lose this level, most likely we will see a sharp decline in the price around this daily level 97,000. And if we zoom out and we pull our FIP level from this low to this high, we can see if we lose 87,000 daily level, the next stop for the Bitcoin lies between this imbalance here formed on daily candle around maybe on it's on the middle 84, and our golden retracement level around 81,000, $79,000. These are the levels, macro levels I'm watching for. Loading up my bags again and targeting another all-time high. Let me clarify. This is only if chance given, because the price can continue sideways in this range like here and pump straight ahead. Okay, this was our first market analysis on the Bitcoin. Let's take a look on Ethereum, and this will be our first stream, very first stream, our first of many that will follow. So why the Ethereum dropped so much? Okay, before that, let me show you what I'm watching locally on Ethereum. We can see that Ethereum is forming also a local range. We have a high here, low, and the price is somehow compressing, creating lower highs and higher lows. This compression, I believe, will be over soon, and we have some clues that there might be a shift in the market structure on the lower time frames, and if the price don't fall below this level here, you can 2066, I expect Ethereum, just a second, to target this equal high here, format and value area high of this range, and also maybe this level. This is our local range high. But if we drop below this level, I expect Ethereum to test this marked level by me. This is somewhere between 2400 and 2350. This level also, if we zoom out, lies inside the 50% of that big wick that the price left with the big drop we saw in the beginning at Monday, in the early hours of Monday. You can see this level is also our golden retracement level. So I won't be looking to long Ethereum if it drop below this level before the price reaches this area. So, but if we zoom out, why Ethereum dropped so much here? If we zoom out on daily basis, we can see that price after that breakout here, I will be showing it again. We had a range formed also here. Yes, this is our range. This was our range. So when the price cleared this equal highs, it was cleared, even though it very small, that range was manipulated to the upside. And what we said about our range theory, when one side of the range is taken, most likely the target is the opposite side. Yes, here around 3700, this sounded crazy, but you can see that the market doesn't care about our feelings. It targeted the range low. So if we zoom out, guys, this level is our key level for Ethereum. You can see this is our main level. If we zoom in, yes, we had another range formed in that big range. This range was this one. We broke above it. Everyone I won't be lying, including me, was expecting this level to support the price, 2700, 2600, but you can see it didn't, and the price decided to test our main support level. This is our main support level, not only because we have a major support resistance flip, but let me show you. If I draw the anchored VWAP from the all-time low from the 2022, you look at this, where this anchored VWAP aligns. It aligns with the price drop, almost, with a few dollars miss. But if I draw from the all-time high here, you can see that this is our major support level. You can see that. So let me be clear. Ethereum, if this mid-level don't hold, if market decide to choose violence, if I may say like that, I expect the price to test them, to make another test of this low. So we can see, in the worst case, another test of this level where the price dropped 2800, and there this most likely will be our double bottom, and the price will reverse again to the upside. Basically, this is what I can tell you today. I don't know what can I show you more today. Let's hold it. We are almost 25 minutes. It's enough. I will be seeing you again on Monday, and we will be as I said, these streams will be held every workday, precisely at the same time you are getting from the email. Thank you very much for everyone who has watched my stream. Thank you very much for your time, and see you on Monday again.